Welcome back, everybody. We're going to take a look at Google Docs again and how to create a form, survey, registration form in order to get feedback from whatever the product or service is that you're trying to represent. If we wanted to create a new form, all we would have to do is click New Form, and we'll do is come up with a blank questionnaire that we can take a look at. But instead of creating a new form from scratch, what I want to do is show you an existing form that I already have created. So I'm just going to go ahead and close this out and then come over here to the one that I've already created. An example here we're going to take a look at today is a copy of pre-programmed questionnaire. It's got the little green icon, and that can either represent in Google Docs either a spreadsheet or a form. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and click on that. What it will do is open up the form in a database, I guess, type of format. And notice again, in spreadsheets we have the columns A through, let's say, Z, and these are actually going to be the questions that correspond with the answers. All the answers are going to be listed in rows 2 through, let's say, 20. So when we take a look at this is the actual spreadsheet, but what we're doing is creating the form. If we want to create the form or edit the existing form that we already have, what we can do is come up to here to the top to where it says Form and then Edit Form. When we have the form open, here at the very top, this is where we would put in the title for the form. Below that is maybe a little brief introduction explaining what the form represents, who the target audience is, so forth. And below that, you're going to have all the different types of questions that are out there. If you're starting off from scratch, you want to add new questions, you click up here at the top where it says Add Question, and there's a lot of different choices that you have to choose from: text, paragraph text, multiple choice, check boxes, choose from a list, and also a scale, which can be a form of a rating system. And I'll show you examples of each one of those. Right here, what is the biggest challenge for your Realtor Association Education Department? This is an example of a checkbox. If I double-click on the actual question itself, it will give me the title, some help text. I can actually choose a different type of question if I want, but I'm going to stick with checkbox here. And then I can start typing in the answers, and if I have more, then I can hit the Enter button, and it will take me back. If I want to erase that, and hit the backspace, and I can go back to the existing one. And notice you've got a spot for Other to where people can write in their own answer if you want to give them a few more options. I'll go ahead and click Done. That will save that individual question. We'll move on to the next one. I'll double-click on it. Question title, please rank which is most important to you. And notice again, this is a choose from a list. It's got all the different answers that you want to choose from, and I just have to click Done to save it. This is an example of a paragraph text question, which allows, it's an open-end type of question, which asks for additional feedback. This is an example of a checkbox to where people can choose a variety of answers for one individual question. Below, I've got the scale here. Please rank how you feel about receiving this type of questionnaire. People can answer whatever the question is, and then obviously I've added another type of question, which is comments, which allows people to express the way they feel about either the program, the service, or even the questionnaire. Once you've finished creating this questionnaire, you can actually view what the published form is going to look like. And if we click on here, click on this link, what it will do is open up what the form will look like as its own individual website. And if you wanted to, send out an email and have people fill out this form, what you can do is just come up here to the top and copy this website or hyperlink, and then paste that into your email marketing software that you're using. And then people can just start filling in questions, start selecting answers. And then once they hit submit, what will happen then is it will automatically populate whatever the answers to the forms that were submitted. So again, this is a great way to be able to share information, receive feedback, and then also register for classes for free. It doesn't cost anything, using Google Docs for your real estate business.